Hi, I'm going to use Easy Map Maker to show you how to add your own pins to your data. In this case, I will use the sample data 1. It's now loaded. I click Set Options, Show Advanced Options, Show My Custom Images, and I will choose some files here. And I will upload these. And this type value right here comes from the group marker colors. So in this case, I will go based off of the state. So you see this changes to state, and I can choose my various states. So Arkansas, Texas is like a theater. Louisiana has a beach. Probably like bullfighting in Oklahoma, and last but not least is Arkansas. So these will be assigned to the various states based off of the state value here in the group marker colors, and I click Make Map. I wait a few moments. And now we see Texas has the amphitheater, Oklahoma has the bullfighting guy, Louisiana has its color, and all of the pins are also down here, so I can choose to hide them or select them, and I can also drag them if I want to move them. And last but not least, I can choose to finally save my map. And that's how to add your custom pins using Easy Map Maker. Thank you.